Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Oasis network. The price line of Oasis is at the support of a very big rising wedge pattern on the weekly time frame. And in today's video, I want to share with you the next target for Oasis. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to share with you my previous analysis that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 4th of November, when the price action broke out this symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame. And you can see that the price line, after breaking out, it was moving above the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. We had a very strong support. You can see after several attempts, the price line finally, when it was squeezed here, broke out the resistance. And our first target, as per this symmetrical triangle, was 28 cents, and the final target was 34 cents. The price line at that time was moving at 21.4 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well, even up to 46.6 cents. That is really very big move. Right now, the price line is again dropped back down at the support of a very big rising wedge pattern. This was the daily time frame. Right now, I am showing you this weekly time frame. And you can see that we have two rejections here, one rejection here, and two more rejections here. So this is a very strong resistance. And we have several touch points at the support of this rising wedge. And right now, the price line is again, it has again tested the support and rising from the support of the rising wedge. Now, the price line on the weekly time frame is forming higher highs and also forming the higher lows as well. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, then here price line is doing the opposite. It is forming lower highs and lower lows. And this is the first higher low the price line is forming after this bounce from the support of the rising wedge. And at the same time, on the daily time frame, the price action has also found a resistance here, and you can see that we have several rejections here. We have another rejection here and another rejection here, but this time the price line is moving between the resistance and this support. And by the way, this is also the formation of another symmetrical triangle like we had here. Same as like that move, the price line has formed another symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame again. But this time, we also have a very strong support. This support is also the support of the symmetrical triangle and also the support of this very big rising wedge pattern. Therefore, this is really very strong support. And in case of breakout, what can be our next target? If I place this trend line from this high to this low and place it here, for example, if we are going to have a breakout from here, then our next imminent target can be approximately 54 cents. And you can see that it is also projecting beyond the resistance of this big rising wedge pattern. And in case of breakout, the price line can also break out the resistance of this rising wedge as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.